What is he saying? We cannot fill it or
No, because there is no light.
no electricity?
Yeah, no, it will come maybe in a few hours, 2 hours or 1 hour.
So we are in Uzbekistan now, in Samarkand. I brought the scooper cylinder from Copenhagen on the flight, so I had to take the cylinder out, or the cylinder valve off. So I'm gonna show the technician here. See what I got, and they will tell me if they can fill it. I hope they can do.
Burada bu.
So you tell them that
Yes.
this is 12 liter.
12 liter.
And
12 liter kan. 12
it's
liter.
12 liter, and I would like to fill it to 200 bar. But just
oluş mümkün emas burada. Kısa bakıyor. Bir su. You cannot breathe direct from this cylinder. If they fill it.
because no. I show him. Yes, I know what he means. I'm not intending on breathing directly from the cylinder. I put this in.
Şunlarsa mı? For water, yes.
I show you.
Vursa bana ama birleri o çıkmışsa balkı bir şey funksiyası bordur mu?
He says the oxygen should go via water to your mouth. Is right?
Not via water.
No, but
So in this one we have 200 bar.
200
And if he can fill this one to 220, it's perfect. Then this one will do the job. At least they have a lot of cylinders. I don't know if they can fill our cylinder.
Hakan selamünaleyküm yaxshimisiz? Balon to'ldirish kerak edi, sordum balon. Ha. Ha. Ha.
Because there needs to be some protection in here before they screw some metal in.
So it doesn't let the water go inside.
Yeah, normally in Denmark there would be like an O-ring, but they're not used to doing it this way, so I would think
They have 6 type of gas how to fill the cylinder.
yeah,
There's 6 types of gas.
gas, yeah.
But that person he only has one type, only oxygen.
Right. Wow. But explaining that we just need atmospheric air. Do you know what it is?
Yes.
They understand it, right?
Yeah.
So not...
У вас атмосфера давления, да, получается, или другой? У вас атмосфера давления, да, получается, который, или другой совсем?
Чего? Кислород?
Да, кислород. Да, yes. Атмосфера, yeah.
Not oxygen.
Not
just
oxygen. Атмосфера.
Это окрутано или нет?
Вопрос. They are looking for the hole in order to fix it.
Yeah,
It doesn't suit.
it's not the right size.
Yes, right size. 7.5.
Should be possible to put on here. Right?
Yes.
Okay, let's take 2 of these and I can take a couple of the 5s here. Camels, we got it. So now we arrived in the yurt camp at Aydarkul Lake, I think it's called, right? Yeah. And yeah, we're gonna go. They say actually they have a compressor, so we go and check it out and see if it's, yeah, it's a compressor that can fill my tank with the tin valve. If it is, it would be really good. That means I can do more than one dive. I can do a night dive maybe tonight. So yeah, let's get the stuff ready and we'll go and check out the rest of the equipment. They told me the compressor had not been started for 5 years, and I don't think they're gonna get it running. The problem is in Samarkand they could only fill my cylinder to about 125 miles. Ah, it's coming now, great. You can get close to the fish.
You can catch a fish.
You can catch the fish.
Yes.
I'm not gonna catch the fish. I'm just gonna maybe take a picture of the fish if I see any. Okay, so we made it up to Aydarkul Lake. It's the biggest lake in Uzbekistan, and I'm here with Ludmila. Yes, from the yurt camp, and I want to ask you. Is this the place I can go scuba diving right here?
Это место, где можно нырнуть, да?
Да, да, конечно. К сожалению, в Узбекистане это не так популярно, но многие люди, профессиональные аквалангисты, приезжают и получают от ныряния большое удовольствие.
This place is not popular in Uzbekistan, but most foreigners they come here in order to dive.
Yeah. Okay.
Here and also in the middle of the lake.
And the people that come here to dive, where are they from? Are they like tourists from Russia or from other places?
Люди, которые приезжают
были из России, были из Англии, возможно, были еще и другие, но, возможно, ныряли сами, я об этом не в курсе.
They were from Russia, they were from England,
Yeah.
and also from other different countries.
Yeah.
She was not there before,
Yeah.
and therefore she doesn't know. But
No.
she definitely know about the Russian and the England people.
But they have to bring all the equipment. There's no dive equipment here.
Они привезли все с собой свои эти
Да,
костюмы,
все
оборудование, да?
оборудование они привезли с собой, потому что в Узбекистане нет моря и профессиональное оборудование, видимо, не продается.
So they brought everything by themselves.
Yeah.
Due to we don't have sea in Uzbekistan,
Yeah.
and we don't have professional equipment for
Right.
divers.
Yeah. Okay. I'm very excited to try to dive here. I took my camera with me. I hope I'm gonna get some picture of some Uzbekistan fish living here. So.
Мне так нравится, когда нырнуть и снимать на камеру здесь вот там как выглядит рыба.
Да, для меня очень приятно, что вы практически открываете новое направление в Узбекистане, что озеро Aydarkul станет после ваших слов, после вашей рекламы популярно еще и для дайвинга.
She is happy that she met you. You will open the new direction for other foreigners.
Yeah.
You will advertise for your colleagues for Europe, and Aydarkul will be like a more popular.
Поэтому я
Maybe,
очень
yeah.
благодарна вам, что вы открываете Aydarkul с новой стороны.
Therefore, she is very happy that you opened the Aydarkul from another direction.
Yeah. I'd be happy to write an article for the Scandinavian Dive magazine about this place, because nobody from Scandinavia know it's possible to dive here.
Из Скандинавии никто ничего не думал. Я очень рад, что я напишу статью об Aydarkulе.
У нас бывает много туристов из Скандинавии, они с удовольствием купаются, но для них пустыня, юрты – это погрузиться в жизнь в кочевников. Они не владеют информацией, что озеро Aydarkul интересно еще с этой точки зрения.
Most Scandinavian people, they came here in the yurt camp and not to see the life, for example, nomadic people, how they live.
Ride the camel, maybe.
Yeah, ride the camels and
like this, yeah. Yeah.
daily routines.
И многие очень сильно удивляются, когда видят озеро, они не ожидали, что оно такое большое и красивое.
And most people they see this the lake, and they didn't expect that it is such big lake.
No.
It looks like a sea.
So big, yeah. It's
So
like
big.
a sea, yeah.
К сожалению,
It's,
очень мало информации в путеводителях, в рекламе. Я стараюсь, конечно, делать рекламу Aydarkul, но этой информации очень мало. Благодаря таким людям, как вы, надеюсь, ее будет больше.
Unfortunately, she doesn't have a lot of information about the Aydarkul, and thanks to these people like you, and she hopes you will advertise
Yeah.
for your colleague in Europe.
Yeah, I'll do my best.
Даже,
постараюсь.
да, даже местные жители, многие не знают о существовании Aydarkul.
Okay.
But also most inhabitants of Uzbek people, local people, they don't know about the existence
No.
of Aydarkul Lake.
No, exactly. Yeah. All right. Okay, thank you so much.
Спасибо.
Thanks. I geared up now, secured the weight plates on the on my holly swing. 20 kilos I think is going to do it here for a freshwater dive. And I have no idea what we're going to see down there, or what I'm going to see down there. I think yes.
I hope you will see
Some fish, yeah.
Some fish.
I hope there's going to be some fish.
How do you feel?
I feel
Feel
okay.
healthy?
I'm very excited. I look forward to it, and it's nice calm here. There was a lot of wind, but there's like a little bay here that it's going to be very sheltered. And
I think it's a nice place to dive.
yeah, I think it's going to be really nice. And the owner of the gear camp said it was going to be like 15 meters deep. So yeah, I gotta check it out now.